Hi friends, this video shows how to connect to Home Wi-Fi router. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to network and internet. First we need to turn on Wi-Fi. Let me turn on, done. Below that you would be able to see nearby Wi-Fi networks. From this list let me select Home Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. That is the name of the Wi-Fi router that I am using. Set Wi-Fi 2024. Then enter the Wi-Fi password. The password of the Wi-Fi router we need to enter here. Okay, I have entered Wi-Fi password. Let me submit. Done. See, now it's connecting to Home Wi-Fi network. So please wait. Okay, connected. So this way we can connect to Home Wi-Fi network and use internet. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.